Hello everyone, welcome to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will share with you my grandma recipe that I love and I grew up with. It's chicken bulgur dish. Take any chicken of your choice, clean it, soak it in vinegar and lemon. In a saucepan, put little bit of healthy oil, little bit of onion, little bit of green beans, little bit of carrot, salt, black pepper, cinnamon, 1 big spoon of red pepper paste, diced carrot, green beans. Whenever this mixture starts to boil, stir it well, put your chicken in it, and flip your chicken time to time to avoid burning it. Add hot water and cook your chicken and your vegetables in a medium heat for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you have to take out your chicken from your sauce, set it aside, and it's time to cook our bulgur. Cook your bulgur in very low heat. Always check your bulgur if it needs more water. If your bulgur needs more water, you have to add always hot water to it. Check your bulgur time to time and stir it and check it if it needs more water. After 15 minutes or 20 minutes, your bulgur is well cooked. Make sure your bulgur is dry and not watery at all. Put your chicken back on the top of your bulgur, sprinkle some parsley on the top, and ta-da! Your dish is ready to serve. Please like, share, and ring the bell. See you in the next video. Bye!